Welcome to our channel. Are you looking to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore how to sell digital products for passive income. Step 1. Choose a niche that you are passionate about. Step 2. Create high-quality digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or printables. Step 3. Set up an online store using platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or your own website. Step 4. Market your products through social media and email marketing. Step 5. Build a strong brand to attract your target audience. Step 6. Utilize SEO strategies to optimize your listings for search engines. Step 7. Analyze your sales data to improve your strategies regularly. As you grow, consider expanding your product line to maximize earnings. Remember, consistency and patience are key to building a successful online business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on passive income.